That's his way of saying hello.
What?
Yeah, it works.
It works.
Send me that in it, Lua.
I will. But it's... Okay, okay. I'm so close. Just need to drag. Wait.
These?
Nuts?
Nuts?
Hey!
Hey, yeah.
Let's see.
Okay, okay, I send it to you.
Nice.
I hope you got it in a good form and not like kind of destroy it on Discord. Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's ruined. Fuck. You had one job, man.
Try it.
Oh, it's Harold. Why is it not? Why is my StreamFIghter not doing its thing? Let me just restart it.
Why is my stream not fighting?
Yeah, why is my stream not fighting? And why is my Twitch always disconnecting me? Like, what the fuck? Okay, now it seems to... Peppa is here at least. Let's test again with Twitch. SS.
Terry?
Okay.
Terry's here?
No, 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 no. Can you guys hear the Minecraft music on the stream?
YouTube stream or what?
YouTube or Twitch?
Let me check real quick.
Yes.
My Wi-Fi isn't Wi-Fi-ing.
Your wife? You have a wife? Damn.
Yeah, you know, it's actually C.
Shit! Damn. That's a beautiful
because
wife.
I ain't hearing no music.
What the fuck? Actually, yeah.
Sorry.
Why is it... Why not? You should be hearing the music. But you hear you guys talking, right? So it's not just me having a monotone dialogue. That would be so freaking funny. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see, where do we output? Playback. Spotify. Yeah. I don't know. Like, it's
Damn,
so
what is that?
fucking
That's
loud. I cannot have...
Eminem song.
Yo, hello, Oglo the nerd. I'm trying to get the music working, but hey, it ain't working. What if I just add another source? Let's see. Let's see, audio capture, ASLA, whatever. And this the... no, I want you to capture, brother. I want you to capture just a specific bra. Remove. Is there just a audio capture? So I could just capture a specific application? No, there isn't.
Oh, what is fucking folky Tokyo night.nvim?
Don't worry about it.
What do you mean? Well, that was an old theme of mine, and I think
Apparently.
Wait. I'm doing that right now. I'm playing the desktop audio, but you can see, like, for me it's super loud right now, but for you guys it's barely. I have to drag it up here, and that's like blasting my eardrums. So it's yeah, I cannot do that. I wonder how delayed the stream is already. Like 41% of the frames dropped. That's crazy. Hey, you can see my bed. Ah, that's crazy. Anyways, I don't know. You guys just need to deal without music now. It's I can hear T-chefs. So who?
Without music.
Yeah, that's just.
Without music.
Yeah, I don't know how many streams this has been without, anyways. But you know, fuck. Sucks to suck.
Yeah, Oglo the nerd, you forgot some important thing. He's on Arch. Whoa, nothing works, is it?
Hey, shut up. It does work. Except for it doesn't, though.
Yeah, no, actually, I never had a problem with Arch. Like, never. Like, not, like, for real, like, when I have a problem on Windows or Ubuntu, like, it takes, most of the time it takes long to fix, but on Arch, I think the hardest problem takes like 30 minutes max.
Yeah. Oglo got to go. See ya, Oglo. We will have fun, hopefully. I'm on Gento. Oh yeah, he's on Gento. He has some other. Damn. Okay.
Fire.
That's pretty fire. But yeah, the thing I was thinking, what if I just drink some tea and then completely pivoted my idea? I don't know.
Damn, it just installed a bunch of shit. Whoa!
Damn.
Whoa. Yeah, you know,
And
by
it
the way,
just
Lucas.
changed all the colors. Hey,
Mhm.
yo!
Lucas, you know how I said that my thing isn't working and I don't know why? It's because I'm never actually having a draw call for it.
Dude, how do I use this shit?
You never what?
T-shirt, what the
I'm never initiating a draw call for it. That's like kind of fire, not gonna lie.
Work code for it. What are you saying?
Like, because a draw call.
Ah, okay. Now it's okay.
Like, because I have like a kind of interesting system to handle like primitives like stacking them in a queue and stuff.
Mm.
And I actually forgot to, like, if the type is rectangle texture, to actually draw a rectangle texture. I just forgot that, so it just doesn't draw them right now.
Damn. All right. Let's see. Where was I now with this? This is so annoying. How can I not just?
Alright, T-Chef, you gotta help a brother out.
So,
You gotta help a brother out.
yeah.
I did
Escape.
shift U, and then
Just do this. Like,
what am I doing now?
just do escape,
Escape?
colon, Q.
Hello,
exit outta
Vector.
Wait, oh, but what do you want to do?
I just init your fucking shit, like, and then installed all the plugins, like what is this, like home, lazy, like, what is this?
Oh no, this is like the manager for the plugins, yeah. So to exit this, you can just do like colon Q. Like,
I'm
yeah.
from Oglo, sir. He mentioned
Okay.
your life, so I thought I'd say hi. Ah,
No,
okay, nice. Yeah.
Like, what can I do with all this fancy stuff now?
To be honest, I think it's
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Oh, nice.
Hmm.
It's got
Yeah,
auto
but I think it. Yeah, no, but I think it doesn't like for C#.
How?
So like you need to include the language server in the.
Yeah,
Don't
okay. You gotta help me do that then here.
How the fuck do we? Okay, where? Why? Why can't it not just do the thing it's supposed to do? The only thing I could, like I said last time, the only thing that makes sense is that it's not calling the updates for these ones for some reason, but it should because it's printing that. I'm so confused. Like you can see here, it just says, okay, I have a lot of entity IDs right now. Fuck. So as I'm working on trying to make this game compiled to WebAssembly and then hooking up with SpacetimeDB to make it multiplayer, and then I use TypeScript, React to host a a client, and then as soon as I can just get that working, I would actually host it so people could join. And the thing is, what this is supposed to be able to do is that I can write the game logic while people are playing, and it will update it. You know, that's kind of what I'm trying out. But I'm kind of regretting it to do it in web because this converting to WebAssembly and whatnot is just pain. I should just make clients and just distribute them instead.
Right here?
Yeah, that's what's going on. Zig Game, I have no
yeah.
idea how to make win Zig. Well, Zig is literally just like how you would do it using C. It's the same thing. You can use C libraries to do stuff in Zig. So you can use Vulkan or well, you don't use Vulkan to create windows. You can use SDL. You can use GLFW or whatever you want to use. Greylib.
Is that all? Okay, no, down here too? What is this? Sure installed what? What the hell is Mason config?
It's so interesting. Sounds good. Sorry, my YouTube is really lagging also right now, so I might be like, no, wait.
Okay, wait, Damon. So, where you do ensure
Pain in all of
installed, you know, where like if you go down.
But there's a lot of
Sorry, what?
pain in all of your
Wait,
personal
if
now.
you go down
Sorry, oh right, you got it.
in line.
Hello, Code Fox.
Where is it? 187. Yeah, there you need to add Omni Sharp as a new thing. Wait, I can send it to you. And
Publish server local quick start chat delete data cd server. That should be the command. I'm pretty sure delete data. Unexpected argument. That should be it. Unless I'm missing something.
And Evan, I sent you another code snippet on like right after that. There are like all the setups for the LSPs. So there you also like need to set it up. Like you see how you set up like Clang GD, yeah, like right after that.
Data. Dash delete data. Yes. Like so, let's see, refresh. So entity ID 1, and it's spawned. And it's so interesting because if you...
And
What
another
about...
thing- Wait,
I'd
in
put
line
C sharp
180.
here.
Yes,
20.
C underscore sharp. So like just like the thing you have, but like one underscore. Yeah.
It does call update and it
Like,
does send a thing, but yet it's not being drawn. I'm so confused.
And I
How-
hoped this should be it. I never tested it. So
Okay, I'm gonna try something really crazy right now. Just to see like what the fuck is going on. I'm just gonna go for each. When it calls update, it's gonna update all of the freaking entities. Okay. Like so. It's gonna update all of them. I don't care anymore. Just update all of them. Yeah. Zig build dash d target equals wasm32 freestanding. Like so. Let's see. Where did Zig out? Wait, what? So, boom, move, replace. And let's see. Do a refresh. Refresh. Okay. So, at least it seems to it updates all of them to the same spot. So it's definitely something with the ID that doesn't match. Okay, so I got that right at least. So somehow this ID is not matching with the ID that's being passed in, but how can that be? Because when you insert, you create a new one that takes the ID of the thing you passed in. Game on insert. You get the entity, pass the entity ID, and then on update, it even says the on insert. Like, what the f? This doesn't make any sense. Like, if I do a refresh here, boom. Entity ID 9 just got created. Then we're calling update on entity ID 9. Yet somehow that ID doesn't exist anymore in my data. This is the thing I hate, because I cannot debug this. I have no idea, you seem chill to see, I'll give it a sub. Nice, thanks. I'm losing my mind, I'm just telling you. Like, I don't understand. This I cannot understand, because it's like... What am I actually passing in as ID? Entity ID. That one should be fine. The only way is that this could not be fine is if somehow I corrupt my memory, but that shouldn't be possible. It shouldn't, but it might. Oh my days, why? But it is inserting the position, and yeah, the position is being inserted correctly. The only thing is I'm doubting is the ID. Could it be because I use unsigned for ID? What if I just change it to I? Don't know why, but let's see. And then we're gonna take this back, and we can't do that anymore. Don't really care about ID anywhere else. No. ID. Yeah, that seems to be weird, but let's try it, I guess. Move it there, replace it, refresh, nope. And it works sometimes. It's so weird, like if I keep on refreshing, eventually there will be one that just moves or not. I swear there is one that is supposed to move. Ah, there. Just randomly, one works, and I have no idea. Like the only... Oh, when I cannot debug the fucking code because it runs in WebAssembly. That's so funny. Oh. Oh, that's hilarious. Jesus Christ. Oh, wait, but what is... Oh, what is this USI? Oh. No, that should still work. I should be able to access the USIs. Ah, this is so fun. Why? Something is going completely wrong when I pass in the ID over here. But that's all I got. To string, to exponential, to fixed. Something is definitely going wrong here, and I don't know. I don't know. I need something that can just find something on this.
Okay, guys, I will go now.
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See ya. See ya. Bye bye.
I
See ya.
hope tomorrow I will have the textures up. Yeah. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Wait. Oh my god. No, that must have been an accident after the problem, right? That cannot have been because of that. I refuse to believe I have always had that. No, there's no way that's the issue. There's no way that's yeah, okay. Whew. I would have been so pissed if that was oh, wait, I didn't compile. Oh yeah, I did, but I didn't update the WASM file. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. You're kidding. You're kidding. I had it early. No, no, my friend, it's not your wife. Okay, it's not your wife. It's not your Wi-Fi. You don't know how dumb I have been. How could I not have seen this? How could I not have seen this? Oh my god, but hey, multiple players. It's, boom. Look, I can spawn in more players and they all move to the right automatically. Because I'm stupid as fuck. I need to close these ones. When I disconnect, I should probably remove them, but also I joined the Discord call. Currently having a 1v1 on a cat gifs. On cat gifs. Amazing. Nice for you to join. Welcome, welcome. I will. Yeah, sure. That's just things that happens here at the Discord server. We have battles on cat gifs apparently. That's really nice. Welcome. Also, join my, wait, join my multiplayer game. Link works 100%. Damn, I'm stupid. How could I be so freaking stupid? Whatever. Now we can start registering inputs. And then we'll get disconnecting working. And then we could actually maybe make somehow something that people can connect. And it will be cool. Yeah, by the way, my Wi-Fi is really lagging right now. I might have to restart it. Good news though, because if not stream. Ah, okay. Good. But yeah, you can also just join the call in the live stream on the Discord if you want to. You can talk, but you can still watch. I stream on the Discord as well. And no, I don't stream, but I should. Oh, you're already here. I should be streaming on the Discord for people who wants a more live session. I usually do, and with time I'll allow people to talk also. Once I know a little bit how you talk. So nice for OG Oglo to send you over. Such a nice guy. Anyways, what are we supposed to do now? Well, now that we have officially established that I'm a fucking dumbass, this will be way easier. That was just sad, to be honest, that I had that issue. How could I not have seen that? That feels okay. Let's fix the input. I want to do the input. That's a good statement, Damon. Let's write that down. Write it down. What do we need to do in order to register inputs? We need to subscribe to the reducer. I think I have it commented out somewhere because I got on it halfway and then I just decided to we'll do it later, and now later has arrived. So I think, well, I don't have it anywhere, but I think it's just not cookies, connection DB console. Yes, perfect. Connection DB dot reduce. No. Connection should be established. Oh, it's not here. Connection reducers dot on update player input. No, not on. Update player input. But this I only want to do if you press a key. Ah, yeah. Let's do it actually. We want a vector. Could I just do a like this? Dot x equals. Oh no. Is it x colon 1 y colon 0? Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna tell it to go downwards now. Let's see if it will take that update. It did not. Well, that sucks. Anyways, we can also move it down here and just do that here. Oh, look at that. We actually have it here. Okay, cool. So I could do in here and just change it to this. Let's see. It's not going downwards. I can probably remove some prints because now that I have fixed my issues, not mental issues though, but my programming issues, not all of them, but these ones at least, so that's nice. We don't need that, and then we don't need this. We can also get rid of these, we can get rid of that. Clean up the terminal a little bit.
You should have just used Blazor to print out your WASM.
What the fuck is a Blazor?
Just Google it real quick. Blazor.
I know what a Blazor is from Minecraft. Do you mean Blazor?
Blazor web app. Blazor with WASM. What's that? There you go. It's the top one. The one above that.
No, I want to know what it is. You know. It's a Microsoft thing.
It's C#, but it like you write everything in C# and then it compiles to WASM.
WASM.
Yeah, it compiles everything to WASM.
No, we are doing Zig here, bro. What is this? We're supposed to be doing Zig. We're supposed to be doing Zig, but I'm doing TypeScript. You see what this TypeScript does to you? You go mental when you use it. And I'm just gonna say, I'm just gonna print this and see if it at least calls that. It doesn't even call this. Is it even in the loop? Else fuck. Let's do a. Can I get the I don't have the red ones. What? Okay, we'll get this one. Let's just spam the console with this shit. Yep. Okay, so we don't have a connection apparently at any point. Which sucks pretty much because I would like to have that connection because then I can register a input press and yes. But use state set connection. Why can I not just get it? Is it somehow disconnected from everything else or that was the thing I wanted to actually use, but okay, whatever.
Is everything getting piped through one port?
What do you mean piped what do you mean by everything?
Like you just have like your local host and then your port and then like you just got one port?
Yes. Well, except
Oh.
I think the database is hosted separately, yes, but nobody is connecting directly. This thing is taking care of it. Let's see here. This one is some port.
3,000,
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you're not like dual opting into like some TCP port, are you, or it's just one HTTP port? HTTP?
HTTP for the clients.
Oh, it's a WebSocket. No, it's a WebSocket.
Yeah, it uses TCP. This thing. That's what I know. They're gonna integrate UDP, but for now they're using TCP. Yeah.
I'll go make a cup of coffee.
All right.
That information.
I'm gonna think about my life decisions.
You'll be all right.
I will be alright. Now I have got the things available for the database callbacks, but now I need to get the. I mean, unless no. I actually have no idea. How can I actually set this up? Because I have a sync input, right? Which is just this, but I need to run it through this while loop. My brain. Okay, I want to run it through this while loop. That's what I would like to do. That is actually a useless function. I don't know why I have it anymore. That should be gone. But whatever. Don't really care. Fuck. I don't know. Because I never get the connection established, which is so weird because like it is connected and I do have the connection. Okay, I'm desperate. Help. This is usually how I just start off. Let's see what it can tell me. Inserted. How is this possible? Because aren't they, unless if there are different scopes, that makes sense. But I don't know how TypeScript works, so let's see. The issue you're facing indicates that con is null even though you can resolve data from the database and insert and update callbacks are working. This suggests that the database connection is being established, but the connection state variable in your React component is not being set or is being reset, preventing sync from accessing it to the. Let's analyze the connect. Database callbacks works, React use effects, dependency issue. Okay, the database connection use effect has a dependency array, bosom ready. This means that after reruns, whenever any of these changes. Oh, if the const is being reset or the connection is being recreated unnecessarily, it could cause con to be null on the sync input runs, especially if the effect. Oh. Wait, hold on a minute. Why am I? Oh, whatever. That's yeah. It proves if the effect has. Okay. Well, I guess I could. Well, actually, now this just makes me more confused about this fucking language. Fuck. This I want it here, but I don't know if that's gonna make a difference. But at least then clears a few things for me. Nah, it's still no. Okay, good to know. Stale state. The sync function is defined inside of the use effect for wasm initializer, which has an empty dependency array. This means that sync input captures the initial values of con, which is null when the effect runs. It's later set in the database using okay. Timing, okay. Suggested fixes. Resolve this. We need to ensure that always access the user ref for use ref. Damn, this language just looks like a lot of duct tape. In order to fix your issue from earlier, just use some more duct tape, and to fix your duct tape, use some other duct tape. What the fuck? Use ref. Modify your code to use ref for con. I don't know if that just sounds like a bunch of extra cover ass bullshit that I don't want to do. There's no way that's nah, bro, for real, bro. No. You have to be tripping. Fake dependency array wasn't keyboard input sync for the 9. Ensure ID is converted to. How the fuck does it know that I converted? I don't really care, to be honest. But what I do care about is this. Let's see. But this happens at the beginning, right? You go in here. This is just a function for later. It's gonna have some more shit, but on connect. So this gets called. Then it here. Connection builder on connect. Yes, and then, but I never set. No. Here, set connection. Set con. But somehow. Oh. What if I just do that? No, still nothing. Why the fuck am I looking at React? You saw nothing. It's the best way. It's either Rust, C#, or TypeScript for SpacetimeDB. So that's why I'm using React, and I want it for web, so that's why I'm using React. Also, you promised us you fix the stream buffer, but it still buffers. So you're like, I don't know how to fix it better, bro. Like, I don't know if it's my internet or what it is. Like, I guess I could add even more buffer for the thing. Wait, I'll put replay buffer. I don't know if that would fix it. You know? Maybe it could work. Add even more, and then you wouldn't. I don't know, bro. I've tried my best, but I'm still like at 61%. I don't know what to tell you. It's not good. Streaming. I don't know, man. I can't really. No, my internet is actually quite good, or it should be good enough for this. More than good enough. I have no idea why it would be so problematic. I don't know, man. Either something with the rendering that it doesn't. I don't know, man. I have tried my doing a lot of weird tweaking, but I can't seem to get it. 2-bit pattern. True. I don't know. One day I will figure that out, but that day is not today. I wasn't supposed to do it right. I was supposed to still figure out why. State pointer. I don't get it, because I have it right here. The same way that I do these things, but for some reason the connection is... Oh, wait, I never set this. Do I? No, I do. There, set con. Also, damn, how far behind is YouTube stream? Damn! Yeah, it's 2150 for me right now. I don't know what the YouTube stream is at. Let's see, press live. And that's some crazy, I don't know what that is. Anyways. I cannot understand why it would not be connected here anymore. 2 years behind, that sounds about right. Wow, that's some crazy quality right there. Full HD, can I handle that? Let's see. Yeah, it's 7 minutes behind. Well, I have had worse. It's like 2 yards behind. Damn, yeah. Wait, did you say years or yards? Did I read it wrong? I probably did read it wrong. Bruh. But my brain cannot comprehend why. Why would this be wrong? Now I'm gonna look like a schizo for people reading this back. What do you mean? What's a schizo? I don't know if I wanna Google that, bro. I don't wanna do this use reference thing, bro. That's so no. There's no way that's the way to go about it. That's just so ugh. Schizophrenic. Ah, I just simply can't spell. Ah, same, bro. I can't spell for shit. So use ref for the con. Well, I don't know. At this point, let's see. Let's try it out. You know, what's the worst that could happen? Let's replace all of the use with that. Do I care about anything else? I don't think I do. but I do have to establish the connections. So let's see, how do they do it now? Because store the initial connection, keep state for the rendering optional. So they still keep this. Okay, well then. And then I just replace it with connection reference. Let's see here, this basically. Let's check. I'm gonna put it like this, and then I'm gonna take away my old one because reasons. And let's see. Well, something seemed to have worked. I don't know what the fuck that is. Failed to execute send websocket still connecting state. Oh, it just sends it too early. So I have to check that. Can I check that is active? And connection current is active. Okay, boom. Fantastic. So now we just change we just need to change do I just say input? Input dot W. Okay, yeah, we can do this. So, whoa. We'll do this. First we'll check. I think it's more likely that I don't press anything rather than I have a connection. So if W or A, let's see, I actually prefer to have them like this. Yes, this makes sense. Or input S, bruh, or input D, or, and then it's this whole thing, so I'm just gonna do extra parentheses. That. Ah, wait, no, wait, hold on, fuck. If this, all of these are 1, like so, and then we need, if any of these, and then I need both of these, then that means I want to acknowledge a new input. And that means that I will also want to is this a bool? It's a boolean. Could I convert it to a value somehow? Actually, I can probably do this. This is gonna be so fucking ugly. Hello, Whale Tech. Welcome, welcome. Input. That should be fine. Object literal may only specify unknown properties. Input does not exist in a type. But you're not, brother. What the fuck? This is just. Ah, now I see. Boom. So if you press A. Okay. I don't know if this is gonna make it better or worse. This is gonna be great. I'm just gonna do a parenthesis just to clarify what I'm trying to do here. So if you press A, I want to do a negative. And if you, so we will do this. Let's see. like so. And if you press a D, I want you to do a positive, right?
Hey, what did you?
What's happening? Sure.
Wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy?
I would like to know. Yeah, this makes sense to me.
Wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy? Wouldn't you like to know, Weather Boy?
Hey. And then for Y, if you press S, I want a positive, and if you press W, I want a negative. Yeah.
Hey, what seems to be the problem here, gentlemen?
Okay, let's see.
Hey, who said that?
Oh my god, look! Look! It's it worked!
Oh, dude, it's multiplayer.
Yeah,
It's
bro.
Multiplayer.
Bro!
Okay, well, send me the link.
Well, it's localhost!
I ain't fucking multiplayer, dog.
It's working, that's the point, shut up!
Okay, all right. Bundle it up in a nice little Docker compose. Send it my way. Okay,
Wait, we still need to do a few patches before we do that. We need to get people disconnecting before I try to fix it. Oh, let's go! Wait, I forgot which player is which. Because everybody's called Lucas and you can't see their names. Twitch stream is even further behind. Oh man. I do have the Discord. I stream also on the Discord if you want to have a bit more live. I think I don't know if the quality is better there, but it's the best solution I have for now if people are interested in like actually seeing the live update. And without my beautiful face on the screen, you know, it's a great solution to the problem that we all suffer. Okay, that's so freaking cool. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I don't need this anymore and I don't need that else, and I can get rid of these old ones. And we could also get rid of the update, because the update is not even needed anymore, because I'm just subscribing to table updates in the database, so the debater base. Okay, we're getting somewhere. See, I told you that this would work someday. Oh man, this is fantastic.
Shit.
Well, I told you to shit as well, but you didn't listen. And look where we are now. Now I just shit my pants.
Ew.
Ew. Ew. But that's so freaking cool. And this one hasn't even updated its like WASM file, but it's still like sends the signals to the thing. Oh my god, that's so freaking cool. Or it hasn't updated its client. If I refresh now, it has updated its client. Ah, no, that's so freaking cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. It's just moving a few pixels, but this stream is year behind. Oh man, oh man. This is so cool. Oh my god, that's so cool. I haven't run out of memory yet. I probably will at some point because I don't have dynamic memory allocation. I just have a bit of memory, and eventually there will be no memory. Oh, that's so cool. Nah, for real, bro. Holy fuck. 10 minutes behind. Well, that's not even a world record. The world record we have had is it like 20 or 30 minutes? I think 20 at least, maybe 30, I'm not sure. That
God,
is
this NeoVim's actually kind of fire.
for real. I don't know, I don't feel like I need to switch yet. I still feel like I'm proficient enough with VS Code.
No, it's like don't get me wrong. Like the IEDs have their purpose and stuff, but like sometimes like you just need quick access, a quick like lightweight editor. And
Oh yeah,
I don't
definitely.
see myself using this as like a main, But like if I'm like I don't want to boot up because Rider, that's my main one, and that one's
Yeah.
heavy. And sometimes I don't want to mess with that, and Notepad's ass, and you know it's like right.
Oh yeah. If you just want something quick to just go and do some changes, you don't want to boot up a whole IDE. You just want something that works in the terminal or something like that.
It's got it's got like what you need, the autocomplete and the fucking like the reference, like the index, or when you start typing something, you can go down the list of what's available. Like that's really all you really need.
Wait. Why am I moving two clients with one? Are they having the same? Oh, they have the same identity. Huh? Oh, that's funny. But this, how did these two get the same identity? And I'm no, this one is fucked. There's no connection. Okay, that's interesting. It's something to do with if you start multiple. Oh fuck. Interesting. All of the incognito ones gets a like the shared identities. That's so weird. And I probably do this as well if I just start doing normal.
Docker compose and bundle it up and.
I guess. No. We still need to. We'll do it next stream. That's. We need to. There's still a few things that needs to get fixed.
Like what?
Disconnect.
Like, I think this project's pretty much wrapped up, man. Like,
Yeah,
the second you see like us running into each other as red cubes, I think you can be like, all right.
Yeah, as soon as our tip touches, then it's pretty much done. Where's Harold with the soundboard?
I guess maybe have it. I guess maybe having like a name above your cube might be nice.
Yeah,
disconnecting might be nice.
I need
like
to.
An actual game loop might be nice, but like honestly, like we're not Albert Einstein over here.
Yeah, we are just Mozart.
What that?
what the?
Everyone off?
I don't know, I just said some other famous person. Why is it not? What the fuck? The fuck happened with this one? Okay, now it's working. I don't know. It got a stroke or something. Oh, that's crazy. Okay, no, I'm just enjoying myself too much. What the fuck happened over here? What did I do?
Alright, that looks like a good push to me.
It is a great. It's the best push.
Like
many good pushes. It's the best push. I'm telling you, bro.
Dun, 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 na, 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 na.
But we need on disconnect. We need to make a disconnect button that tells the thing. How do I want to delete? Oh no. Do I need a function to delete stuff? I should just how do they do it in an actual code? Or the code example, like when something needs to be removed. Do they have a remove? Remove. Remove circle, but this is from the database. Uncircle delete. Yes, uncircle spawn. It's delete they use as key. Word. So on delete, yes. So they have entity on delete, on player delete. I don't know why they do that. Should I care? I don't know. I don't think I should. This is the only thing that is really annoying to work with because of the fucking WASM. I have to expose functions for everything that I want to be able to happen. I guess I could make them a bit more generic. I could just make a function that takes in a number, and I could use that number as an enum or a switch case in Zig, and then just go through that with the. So you would I always assume that to take in an entity you provide the state and the entity, and then a enum of what you want it to happen, and then inside of the code I can just dynamically always change the behavior, and I wouldn't have to worry about exposing more functions to the library. That could work. It wouldn't be too crazy, but it would be kind of crazy. I was crazy once. It could work. Entity on delete. I think I will just do an entity delete for now. This is the way to go for now. Yes, this is the way I will do it. But how is it even possible that it continues to draw? Right, because it's still in memory somehow. But when you refresh, it's not there. But if I do an on delete, yo.
Okay.
Yo.
I see you got the multiplayer working.
Yeah. Now just I need to think of a better way of doing this, because look at these functions. All of them look the same. They take the state and then the entity information. I was thinking, should I just make an entity function and just expose that one, and then you pass the state, the entity, and then a integer that would be basically as an enum. And then I would just do a switch case here, and inside of the code just do what was supposed to happen with that. Because literally every function that I ever do is gonna be the state and then an entity. You know? That's the thing that always will happen. I think that would be the best way to go about it. Because otherwise I always have to expose functions, and I don't like it. That's what I'm trying to say. Because if I expose them, then I have to tell them how to connect it here, and then I have to make sure that I can use that function everywhere, and that just sucks ass. And nobody likes to suck ass, you know? I was about to say everybody loves to suck ass. But one thing I want to try out, can I just take in the entity as a thing over here rather than all of these things? Because that would be heavens if I could do that. Because then I can just add more stuff to it.
Because
Tell me about it.
so okay, basically I have no audio again, so I don't actually hear what you say, but what I'm gonna say is that if you're 10 minutes behind, which I just heard on your Twitch stream, then this is totally fucked, but oh well. And I'm probably gonna go now, so see you later.
Good night. Bye
See ya.
bye.
Yeah, I totally agree. I heard nothing, so yes.
Okay, good. Bro. My guy. Let's see. What I want to do is, if I take, for example, this one over here, we have the entity information. Could I just get the raw data of the entity and pass it into the function? Let's see, let's provide an entity struct there, and let's provide, I think it was the update one, I hope it was the update one. It was the update. Yes, you can pass the raw data of the entity object directly to the WebAssembly function, avoid potential issues and individual field access, e.g. entity ID, post, and ensure consistency between JavaScript and Zig entity struct. Converted entity object, yes, yes, yes. So you would still do a pointer. Okay, I was not expecting that. I think all of this is valid as that. I will just replace the whole thing. It looks okay at least. Let's see, max ID entry pointer, and sure, that's for later. And let's remake, let's see here, update entity. Should you be using, what the fuck, optional for memory allocation? We don't do that here. I haven't gotten that far yet to use. I don't think I will start use dynamic memory. My goal was to do arena allocation and just keep it like that. That's the goal for this project as well. So we'll see how bad can I fuck this up. That's always what I like to say. That should be okay. Isn't there a comma there? Expected. What would you expect? I can't see that. That should be fine. Oh, where did I go? Fuck. This is the only thing I hate with these modern editors. Or IDEs. They just jump. It should be fine to just do a this and just do that. I don't know. I don't know what I did wrong there before, but okay. Update entity. I'm gonna change to this, and that's gonna take care of that in a bit. Just wanna make sure there is this thing, update entity. It's gonna take the same. Okay, that was the same issue that I did last time. And then it's just to change this one to take in the new entity. Ah yeah, but it's not just like that. We still need to actually... So we update the function call. And then on insert, oh god. Isn't there just an automatic converter for this shit? Do you actually have to do that every fucking time? Don't care about this. On insert. Is this actually the way I have to do it? Spawn. Don't care. Entity size. That's correct. I'm not gonna do this. Okay, I don't want to malloc. My the idea is to the beginning and not. That's for later. I just want to see if I can do this one first. Why does it provide everything? Okay, let's see. It still does this thing. Bro, you cannot know. No, if it starts to do that, then it will fuck up the pixel buffer. Unless if I give it some extra padding, but I am not gonna do that. This is not supposed to. Stop. I'm frustrated, well, I guess a bit frustrated. Yes, you can absolutely pass the integer struct as a value, not a reference point to a update entity function, the Zig avoid. Yes, let's see. Okay, good. How do you actually go about it over here? Please, no freaking allocations. Because you already have the resources to not do update. And what do you do? Well, now you're just... The fuck are you doing? focusing on the update and on insert. But Jesus, you just changed this to this, but yet you pass in the wrong parameters. What? How did this happen? What the fuck? You cannot just. There's what? You cannot just do that. That doesn't make any fucking sense. Why would you? I think it's even gonna complain here. Yeah. Expected 2 arguments, got 5. What the fuck are you on about? What kind of crack is it smoking? No. What kind of crack smoking? To pass 5. No crack here, just a mix-up in the code. I appreciate you calling it out. You learn if you're using AI. You can learn from using AI. It's the same as Googling. Why would I just Google, you know? I could have just Googled JavaScript pass raw data. And I still would read the same thing as the AI prompts me with. So, it's the same thing. But sometimes AI is just tripping. Or as it's doing right now, it's fucking tripping. I don't know why it would do this. This makes no sense. Let's see. In JavaScript, you're calling. No, you're calling, or I was calling this. But JavaScript.
Wazam calling. Oh.
Wasam. Let's see. I want it to be that. Component, let's see, what did it say? Update. Now, it's still, I don't know how? Could I, maybe I could do this, you know, fuck that AI, I don't know what it's on about. Let's try this. What if I just made, can I do this? Is this legal? I have no idea. It doesn't seem to be legal. Oh wait, there's something. Wait, I could actually do a what the fuck is this? I don't know what it's. What the fuck? Okay, whatever. Could I say in here entity? Could I just do this entity? You know, and I will say here that I want entity. Because this is literally, no, it's the same bullshit. It will provide me with the same garbage as before. It's okay. Let's try. I mean, worst case it won't work, but isn't Google kind of better because Google or whatever search engine you use doesn't hallucinate? Sometimes.
No, they got AI. They got AI in the search engines now. Like if you already use Google, it'll like that thing at the top there. That's an AI generated prompt for you right there. It can hallucinate.
No, that's true. Let's see. What are the? Can I get to the here? I want this. Okay. Okay, I'm just too lazy to actually try to figure out. Can you just make this right? Nothing else. Please. and then it's gonna provide that, and then I'm gonna give it the. Bruh, I forgot the other thing. Whatever, it will hopefully understands. Again, you want to clean correct solution to pass the yes, okay. And you don't need to explain what you're gonna do, just okay. No, it still misunderstood what no. Okay, I don't know. Fuck you. I'm out. That's just I don't know, but I do care because I need to get it to work. Okay, I'm just gonna do a update entity, pass in the state pointer, comma, and then the entity here. And this is why I wanted this thing, because I want to see without having to open this one, but now I kind of have to. Okay, so we will see that I need to pass the ID. Don't know why it's trying to floor it. There's no point in flooring it. New. Wait, entity. What am I trying to find? It's called new entity. Why won't it find it? Ah, that's why. New entity. For real. New entity ID dot. I don't know. Why is it tripping so hard? Well, what am I trying to do? I can literally just pass it like this. Bruh. Okay. Bam. I don't know if this will work though. Let's see. I should go sleep. Because I think it's gonna be wrong size and whatnot, but let's see. And if I do a refresh. Why is it moving that one? Yeah, no, nah. I think it's probably still like receiving the inputs and everything, but it's not. Like if I do this, we should be getting a lot of prints. Yep. It is receiving it, but the freaking... Because I want to pass the raw data. I hate this language. Why can't you just take the raw data from a thing? Except if you do this. For some reason that's fine. But if I pass the... Oh. Why can you not convert it to raw fucking data? Let's one more attempt in ChatGPT. How can I pass the raw bits of this? How can I pass the raw data? Not the whole object of this object into the function. How can I pass the raw data of entity? My Zig takes in as wasm. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, I'm retarded. I should not. That's probably the reason why, but I don't know. Note, I don't wanna do any mallocs. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna recompile this one in the meantime. Nah, still nothing. I was thinking that maybe that could have been the issue, but nope. God, you want to avoid passing JavaScript directly to what because Wasm can't understand you. Instead, you want to pass the raw data, a package structured in memory that matches yes, you understand me. No malloc is fine. You can allocate fixed buffer in Wasm. No. And it's gonna do the same thing. Write to memory, new memory, new data view. But that's some safe offsets. No. I mean, I guess I could do that. But I don't want to do that. And now you're doing some weird ass. Oh no. I could do that, but I don't want to do that. But is that actually the only option I have? There isn't just a... Oh my god. No. And it is, I mean, yes. But then I would always have to be concerned about this, and that's what I don't want to be. I'm trying to avoid that. And I cannot do that, because that will fuck everything up. If I buffer for it. There has to be a smart way to go about this. I don't know what that is yet. Whatever, we'll go back to what I had. Before I went crazy. Like so, and then we'll change it here as well. Like so. I will have to sleep on that. It would just aid a lot if I could just generalize that to something. Maybe this is the way I have to do it. I really don't want to do it like that. But at least we got that many people can connect. And it will update. Wait, why did these two switch? Did they switch users? I don't know. Let's see. Refresh. Okay. Another one. No? Okay. So we got that far at least. It's a step in the right direction. Alright. Now I think that's gonna be it. It's gonna be it for today. Alright. See you guys. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.